This is my Magic IB system at work. This is a trade on EUR-CAD on, you can see here the date, the 1st May, at the beginning of this week. And look at these entries, precise and very nice clean entries. This was on April 26th. This is on the 27th. This is April 30, and this is May 1st. When the week started, this is how it is, and this is my entry here. A little bit of late entry here, but yeah, still producing some decent amount of pippage. And this is not the only pair doing that. Let's go. Next is, you can see this EUR-USD, and I put even the dates here so you can understand how far these entries apart using this system. 20-minute chart. This is on the April 23rd, then this is on the April 25th, then April 26th. Every day you have a very nice clean. This indicates all the way up, blue candle going into the wave and then coming out, nice and clean red candles, and you open a trade. Of course, it goes along with my analysis. So, and this is on the April 26th, this is April 30, and this is the current, which was yesterday. Today is already like in the morning time. It's May the 3rd, early morning, but it was yesterday. And it bounced and then it started dropping again. So, but the thing is that these entries, they are so precise that they always give you some positive pippage, and you can just come and sit on a break even. Sometimes you get hundreds of pips a trade, and sometimes it just comes out, like maybe 30, 40 pips. Okay, this is pound Aussie. Again, this is my current entry going nicely on the May 1st, and this was an entry. I didn't put the dates here, okay, but you can see very nice and clean. You see this indicator goes down, come up. I'm not taking long because my analysis is telling me that the pound is going to get a lot weaker, and this all pound pair is going to go down. So that's why everything you see is short. And that's what I teach in my webinars, live webinars twice a week. I teach how to do the analysis, how I do all my analysis, and teaches you different studies, Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, SNR level, how to find them, how to place them on the chart, and how to take these entries, and of course about this whole system, how I created these candles, and how you can. These are special charts. You have to open these offline special charts. Look at this beauty here, pound CAD. Wonderful, huh? Look at how many entries, all short. You could have taken any one of these and then just right. This is my entry here, the last one, right from here. Again, it's a late entry because see what happened is that the pound started getting weaker, and then you have to go and see and then take the trade. So by the time you do it, all these pairs start moving, and then goes down. Okay. This is pound Aussie. Okay. It was coming down, then it retraces, and then again the second trade here. You can see nice and clean. This was also my entry, but it came down and it knocked me out at break even. Again, I took this one, and then you can see how nice and clean it's going. And pound yen is still alive right now as I'm speaking. It is, let me see. Yep, it's dropping very nicely. And right now it is 148.85 by the way. Okay, 148.85. So this is 149.24. So I'm down, 30, 40 pip, even more than this. All right. So this is. I'm going to make the chart later on and then show it to you. But it just dropped. It is right around here somewhere, pound yen. Okay. So this is on the 3rd today, right now. And I had a Euro-Aussie too. Where it go? USD, Euro-CAD, Euro-Aussie. See, this was also, because of the Euro weakness, and this one is also, went down even further. Okay, and let me show you my analysis. That how my analysis are. For example, if I make these before charts and then send out to my subscribers, telling you, what to do. This is CAD index, CAD individual index, individual currency. Now, if the CAD is going to the upside for the 5th wave, the CAD will be getting strong, and all the CAD pairs involving CAD is on the right hand side, like Euro-CAD, Pound CAD. They will be dropping. Aussie CAD, USD-CAD, and that's why you just saw that Euro-CAD and Pound-CAD I took short, right? That's the reason. And what happened to this chart? Look, this, right? Nice and clean, went all the way to the target. And similarly, long-term analysis, for example, Pound-CAD, you saw me shorting Pound-CAD, right? What's the reason I'm shorting Pound-CAD? Because I made this chart on the 24th March. Perfect Gertley pattern, and I said we're just going to drop it here. Okay, I mean, I have several, every pair I have the analysis, but I'm just showing you a couple of them. So Pound-CAD, what happened to this? I wonder what happened to this. This is what happened to this chart. It's straight down 800 pips so far, and we are keep hitting it. Short. This number goes, he's gonna go drop to 71.62, and God knows where. So as long as pound is getting weaker, CAD is getting strong, we're gonna be hitting this pair and other pound pair, pound yen, and euro is getting weaker. So this is my whole system. The system means it's not just press buy sell button. It's the system means that I teach you how to open the trading day and what to look for. To look at the weekly chart, the basically weekly chart like this one, and what is the direction that I give you. And these charts stays good for months and months. Believe me, this is today May, but I made this chart basically in March, right? So and it's still going. You understand? So you have the chart from me telling you that this is the direction this pair is going. So all you gotta do is just go in 20-minute chart and 30-minute chart that I have, Magic IB system, and take entries from there. The entries like these. Okay, you draw those highs and lows horizontally here. I didn't because I was in a hurry. So usually I have them here, horizontal lines. Telling me that these are the highs and lows, the weekly highs and lows, and then right from there you take these beautiful entries and look at it. I mean, it's not fluke, it's just this pair, all of these pairs, they're doing the same thing because the system is this awesome, right? So this is it for now, and if you like, you just go on my website, myforexmagicweb.com, and go on the subscription page, subscribe, and setting up the charts, maybe it takes one day. If you don't know anything, then it might take a few hours, and then you set up the charts nice and clean the way I do. And then if you have a problem, me or somebody else can get on the Skype and help you out. And from there, you take all those on my website. I have a page there. It says before charts. So all the before charts are there. You can just sign in there, and then like this one, right? See the before chart. So there are several of them. Whatever I have, I just sent out USD-CAD chart, like maybe 30 minutes ago. A nice, beautiful setup. So just you can take a look at that. And yesterday I had a webinar, and recording is already uploaded. So I gave my analysis that what to expect today, tomorrow, at the end of the week, and then into the next week, Sunday, I will have another live webinar. These are the for 2 days, Sunday and Wednesday I do live webinars, 4 p.m. Eastern time. And if you don't have time to attend live, and I, right after the webinar finish, I make the recording on the YouTube. I upload that, and then I send out the recording to everyone. I send out the link. You can just watch the recording in your own time. And also it is uploaded on my website. So this is how the whole system is. Like, again, it's not a buy sell signal kind of thing. It is, I teach you the whole thing, so that maybe if you are a good learner, within a month you will understand the system, and then what will happen is that in the future, in your life, you don't need me or anybody else to tell you how to trade. You will be doing on your own. You will be on your own boss. That's it. Okay, you will understand everything, harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, SNL level, how to take entries, what else is there. And then most of it, you don't even have, you wouldn't need a job. That's it. you can trade from your bedroom for the rest of your life. Okay, and if they get rid of this paper currency, then you can, trade commodities, gold, metals, anything. Same thing happens as long as it is MT4 platform. This thing works, my 20-minute chart, 40-minute chart, it is for MT4. Okay. Any other platform, I don't know if it's going to work or not, but it requires a special indicator to create these candles. Okay. And it works on MT4 platform. And almost every single broker out there do have an MT4 platform. So you're good to go. So this is it for now. If you like what you saw, just go on my website, subscribe, and start trading like I just showed you. Thanks for watching, and have a great, wonderful rest of the week.